Hi everyone, I am sharing an exciting tutorial in this video. In this video we are creating this. Please note we don't use any professional softwares and tools. These all free. Let's jump into it. You don't need any animation skills to create this, so you can use your own graphic intros in your social media like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, etc. In your Google browser, search Clipmaker and you should click on the panzoind.com link in the browser. You will see lots of 3D animated graphics in this website. These all are free. Let us create our own intros. Click on one intro template and open it in Clipmaker. You will see one 3D interface and title graphics. Let's play it. Now click on the top left corner of the interface to customize the intro. Now click on the down arrow of the group text and you will see the text name. Change both text into your intro. Now click on the down arrow of the group text and you will see the text name. Change both text into your intro. Now we change into video master. You can align position, rotation, and camera angle of the object in the perspective mode. Now add your own audio track into the animation. Change to your parameters of volume mode to give fade in, fade out. Now download the video into your computer. But before that, you can even change the duration of animation before render. For that, go to Basic Settings and change the duration. After changing the duration, now you can render and download your animated video without any hard work. You need to render the video. You can select any of the format for the audio. I will choose .mkv format to render the file. Now check your video to use in your social media. Please subscribe, like and share this channel to get easy and exciting video making information, tutorial tips, and tricks to update your experience. Please check the links below to get my products and services. So today's video complete. Have a nice day.